Are we being arrested?
I'll be honest, dude. I don't know a whole lot. I know that we served a warrant for something, and you're going to be spoken to by our detectives. So right now, you're just being detained.
Okay.
If they want to make that decision that you're under arrest, then they'll let you know.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, sorry, dude. If I knew more, I would tell you.
Okay, no, I appreciate the transparency. Thank you. So are we, when this typically happens, do we drive to the detective or do this, oh, sorry. I'm sorry to interrupt.
This is all his? Yep. Alright, brother, I got your phone and all the stuff up.
Okay, yeah, I trust we'll keep it safe.
Alright.
Thank you. Yeah, is it scary to SWAT houses? Sometimes people like defensive and
yeah, I mean every time you serve a warrant you gotta be careful, right?
Yeah, I'd be so scared to be in your guys' position right now because you don't know if like.
Good. I'm glad you guys are cooperative, right?
Oh, for sure, yeah.
Alright, let's get you back.
Like you guys had like a gun. I'm like, oh my god, I can only imagine the terrible experiences you guys must have had.
Yeah, like I said, we're not trying to be assholes when we come to the door and stuff, but you never know what's gonna happen.
No, I can only imagine. Like I've seen like Breaking Bad and stuff where they the police come and then they like have a shootout and stuff, and like I guess you never know what you're walking into. Yeah. Yeah, I assume it's just procedure. This is my second time ever. First time was yesterday. Yeah, I've never been in trouble before. Normally, I'm the good guy.
I got you.
Yeah, I'm a journalist. I investigate and basically take bad people to court. And usually I try and do things by the books and stuff. And
sorry, say again?
I said, normally I just do things by the books. And I mean, I feel like this is probably like the tamest video I've ever done, actually, and this is the one where I get arrested for. It's kind of funny. But I feel like I've been following everything by the books. I followed the court. They said you have to serve papers in person, and got arrested for that yesterday. And then, like before we do anything, we always like make sure we're like legally in the right, I guess. I don't know what Josh's been. I think Josh's been telling you guys that we have been like walking up to his house in like masks and stuff at night, and so I don't know if that has been happening to him, but it's definitely not us. So that's what's been happening.
And like I said, I honestly don't know a whole lot about what's going on.
Yeah, I don't know how that would like help our case out for us to do that.
Yeah, I'm sure
but,
that when they talk to you right now,
Yeah. I know you have to be an unbiased source, and you're not allowed to, and you probably don't even know about anything.
I mean, I know the basics. I mean, I talked to you guys the other day, right? So I know.
Yeah.
Basically what you guys told me, and I haven't even talked to the other person involved.
Yeah.
So
it's a cool experience, I guess. I've never been on this side of. I guess now I get to see what it's like to be a criminal. Normally, I'm on the other side where I watch people get in the cop car. I'm like, haha, I got you arrested. So I guess it's interesting to see what I put other people through now. Gives me more sympathy, maybe. But no, I'll cooperate however I can. Yeah.
Obviously, there's going to be questions and things that they want to talk to you about. But like I said, I don't have a whole lot of information on all that side of it. So I am doing my part, and then they'll do theirs.
Nice. Well, you're doing a good job.
Well, I appreciate you.
Yesterday they put the cuffs on me so tight. I still have like markings on. So right now the cuffs are perfect, but it was so. I was just in the car, just like I don't want to be annoying. I don't want to complain about this, but like this sucks.
Yeah, if your cuffs are tight, just tell somebody. I don't know if you told them, but usually they'll try to.
Yeah. Well, I didn't want to like be. I wanted to. not seem like a Karen, you know, like, like I don't want to complain. Like I'm obviously in the back of a cop car. I'm not like in a position to complain right now. But yeah, the cuffs are so much better today. Oh my gosh.
All right, man.
Yeah, I was able to get my seatbelt. Should I get out?
You're good to hop out, man.
Okay. Stand right here.
Roger, if you're going to rush. We'll go on this door right here.